The Belmont Report is a crucial document in ethical research, created in 1979 by the National Commission for the Protection of Human Subjects. It ensures research involving human subjects is conducted ethically. This was a response to harmful historical events like the Tuskegee syphilis study. The report outlines three main principles: respect for persons, beneficence, and justice. These principles guide ethical decisions. They protect the rights and well-being of research subjects. The Belmont Report remains a foundation for ethical guidelines in research. The first principle of the Belmont Report is respect for persons. This principle emphasizes autonomy. Autonomy means individuals have the right to make their own decisions. Informed consent is key to autonomy. Participants must be given all necessary information. This includes the study's purpose, risks, and benefits. They should understand and voluntarily agree to participate. Special protections are needed for those with limited autonomy. Researchers must ensure they are not exploited or coerced. Informed consent ensures transparency and protects participants. The second principle of the Belmont Report is beneficence. This principle focuses on doing good and preventing harm. Researchers have a responsibility to minimize risks and maximize benefits for participants. This involves a careful risk-benefit analysis. Researchers must weigh the potential risks against the benefits. If the risks outweigh the benefits, the research should not proceed. This helps protect participants from unnecessary harm. Beneficence also means that researchers should aim to benefit society. Research findings can lead to medical advancements and improve public health. However, these benefits should not come at the expense of the participants' well-being. In practice, beneficence is seen in the rigorous ethical review processes. Institutional review boards, or IRBs, review research proposals to ensure they meet ethical standards. For example, in drug trials, the potential benefits of a new medication are carefully weighed against the risks. The third principle of the Belmont Report is justice. This principle emphasizes fairness in research. It ensures that the benefits and burdens of research are distributed equitably across society. Justice means that no group should bear an undue burden of research. For example, vulnerable populations should not be exploited. Researchers must ensure that their selection of subjects is fair and inclusive. This helps prevent discrimination and bias. Justice also involves ensuring that the benefits of research are accessible to all. For instance, if a study leads to a new treatment, it should be available to all who need it. This prevents inequality in healthcare and other fields. In real-world applications, justice is seen in the careful selection of research subjects. Researchers strive to include diverse populations in their studies. This ensures that findings are applicable to various groups and that no single group is unduly burdened. The principles outlined in the Belmont Report have had a significant impact on modern research practices. They provide a framework for conducting ethical research. This framework helps protect the rights and well-being of participants. Informed consent is now a standard procedure. Participants are fully informed before they agree to take part. This transparency builds trust and ensures participants' autonomy. Beneficence guides researchers to minimize risks and maximize benefits. This principle is central to ethical review processes. IRBs ensure that research proposals meet ethical standards. Justice ensures that research benefits and burdens are fairly distributed. This principle promotes inclusivity and fairness in research. The Belmont Report's principles continue to guide ethical research practices. They are essential for maintaining public trust and ensuring the integrity of research. The Belmont Report is a cornerstone of ethical research guidelines. Its principles of respect for persons, beneficence, and justice provide a framework for ethical decision-making in research. These principles help protect the rights and well-being of research participants. Understanding and applying these principles is crucial for researchers. They ensure that research is conducted ethically and responsibly. This not only protects the participants, but also enhances the credibility and value of research findings. The historical context of the Belmont Report reminds us of the importance of ethical standards. Past mistakes in research have led to suffering and mistrust. By adhering to the principles of the Belmont Report, researchers can prevent such errors in the future. In conclusion, The Belmont Report remains a vital document in the field of ethical research. Its principles continue to guide researchers in conducting studies that are ethical, fair, and beneficial to society. Understanding these principles is essential for anyone involved in research.